depend on nature more than nature depends on us. Your generation, not the next one, has the challenge to shape a better future. A future where people and nature live in harmony. What an amazing opportunity. Join forces and let's get started.
The planet is what we borrow from our children. It's good that young people are coming out and say, this is the future we want. Well, leaders act.
This is the fight of a whole people. It's about actually saving our way of life, our home.
Our planet has never been under greater pressure. Climate change, species extinction, wildlife decline, deforestation, overfishing, pollution, plastics. It is time to change that. It is time to change our relationship with the planet. Young people today are the environmental leaders of tomorrow. Your passion, creativity, innovation are critical to preserve the amazing biodiversity of life on Earth and to secure a better, healthier world for all of us.
Your parents and grandparents have enjoyed a beautiful home. You and your children deserve to do the same. You are responsible for the planet we will live on when you're gone. Please make it one you can be proud to leave behind for us.